Croeso, welcome to Llandudno, to Venue Cymru, on this beautiful autumn afternoon with fresh sea air that side and the spectacular Snowdonia Mountains in view across the other. I'm sorry you can't be with us to enjoy it, but we look forward to meeting you online for the meeting show, and the team and I hope to talk to you to find out a little more about your clients, your delegates, and the ways in which we at Venue Cymru might be able to help you deliver your next live, hybrid or virtual event. And then hopefully you too will be enjoying the splendour of Llandudno. Diolch, thank you.